So hey guys, this is Mark, and I'm here with another grammar video. For my students in class, you've recently learned this, right? Our words will and won't. And remember, just won't is our will not, just the contracted form, the short form of that. And for these two, today I want to talk about predictions. So what is a prediction? A prediction. You can think about your life, the future, what will happen. What will happen in the future? So here I have some situations about the future that I want to show you. First is the rain. Tomorrow, right? Tomorrow's the future. Tomorrow, I think it'll rain tomorrow, right? So there's our will. It'll rain tomorrow. This one for me, if I say I think it'll rain tomorrow, this is my guess. This is my guess about the weather tomorrow. Rain, I think it'll rain. Or maybe my friend, I'm meeting my friend for lunch today. Meeting my friend for lunch, I say, he'll be late. I think, right? Same idea, the I think he'll be late. I'm not sure, but that's my guess, right? My guess, I think he'll be late. It's a busy day, there's a lot of traffic. I think he'll be late today. Okay, for this one, what if we say I'm sure? I'm sure, my feeling is that I'm sure is a bit stronger. Maybe this one is about a restaurant that you want to go to, or your friend wants to go to, right? Oh, if it's a restaurant you know they'll like, you're like, oh yeah, I'm sure you'll like it. A little bit stronger, maybe a strong guess, right? And then this last one, I won't understand anything. See, again, we're using the will, right? Here's will. Here we have the negative, right? The won't. I won't understand anything. Kind of like the I'm sure. This is something that you know. I won't understand anything. In my example, I always use a Chinese film or a Chinese movie. Maybe I'm watching a film in Chinese, but there's no English words, right? No English words, no English subtitles, right? If it has no English, I know, I'm very sure, right? I'm sure, or I know, I won't understand, okay? So that's our predictions on the top here, right? Will and won't. There's one other phrase you're going to learn in your class, and that is our be going to. Be going to and will, right? Both can be used for predictions, but going to is when we have this part here. We have our evidence, right? Evidence. First I think it'll rain, right? Just my heart. Down here, it's going to rain. I have my evidence or my reason that I know. I can see the clouds outside, therefore, it's going to rain. I know it as a fact for me, right? Or this one, he's going to be late, right? That first one, I said he'll be late, just my feeling, my guess. This one, I know it's true. He just texted me, or he just called me, right? He said, I'm going to be late, so I know he's going to be late. So for you guys, if you can, right, take this grammar. You can say about your future, right? Something will happen tomorrow, it's going to, or your friend, he's going to. Maybe for you, what you think, I think, or I'm sure. Try to use this grammar in the comments below. Matt, the other teacher, or myself, we will try to help check it for you. And other than that, I hope to see you in the next video. So, see you then.